Day 18 in the trial of Alec Murdaugh wrapped up within the last few minutes. We heard from the lead investigator on the case.
He testified about a video from a SLED interview. In it, SLED informed Murdaugh he was a possible suspect in the murders. Taggart Houck has been following this. He joins us in studio to break it all down.
Carol and Nigel, that lead investigator, really one of the most important witnesses in the state's case as it prepares to wrap up. But the defense was quick to criticize the investigation.
Alec, I appreciate you coming in today.
Jurors Wednesday saw Alec Murdaugh's third interview with SLED from August 11th, 2021, conducted by lead investigator David Owen.
I've got some more questions that I need clarifications on. Sure.
Owen went back to the day of the murders.
Maggie was supposed to be coming home. I've since found out she was worried about me and me worried about my dad. And so she came home.
But Maggie's sister testified Murdaugh asked Maggie to be there that night instead of the family's beach house in Edisto. She didn't want to go.
You encouraged her to go to Moselle?
I did.
Did you kill Maggie?
No. Did I kill my wife?
Yes, sir.
No, David.
Do you know who did?
No, I do not know who did.
Did you kill Paul?
No, I did not kill Paul. So does that mean that I am a suspect?
You were still in, like I told Corey earlier, you were still in this.
What was tested?
The defense raised questions about the investigation.
The Alec's shirt was tested for DNA, was it not?
Yes.
Maggie's clothes were not tested for DNA, were they?
No, they were not.
Paul's clothes were not tested for DNA, were they?
No, they were not.
The defense also referenced Owen's state grand jury interview,
I'm going to read the question if you'll read the response.
in which he testified shotguns on the property were loaded with buckshot and birdshot shells.
Question, with one turkey load and one buckshot load?
Response, yes, sir.
All right, thank you. And that was not accurate, correct?
Correct.
Earlier today, Judge Clifton Newman ruled against admitting evidence of the roadside shooting involving Murdaugh from September 2021. As court ended today, though, he reversed that decision, now allowing it. Prosecutors argue it's an example that when faced with conflict and pressures, Murdaugh makes dangerous and reckless decisions. Nigel.